Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to paste Word content into Outlook while keeping all your formatting intact. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you've logged in, wait for your emails to fully load so you can see your inbox and have access to all the email tools you'll need for this process. Now that your emails have loaded, look towards the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the email composition screen where you can create and format your message. This is the workspace where you'll be pasting your Word content. Once the email composition screen opens, you're ready to bring in your Word document. The process of pasting Microsoft Word content into Outlook is actually quite straightforward. Start by opening the Microsoft Word document that contains the content you want to transfer. Navigate to that file and open it so you can see all the text, images, and formatting you've worked on. In your Word document, select all the content you wish to paste into Outlook. You can do this by clicking and dragging to highlight specific sections, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A to select everything at once. Make sure you've captured all the text, tables, images, or any other elements you want to include in your email. The selection will typically appear highlighted in blue. Once you've selected your content, copy it using Ctrl+C or by right-clicking and selecting Copy from the menu. Then, switch back to your Outlook email composition window. Click inside the email body where you want the content to appear and paste it using Ctrl+V or by right-clicking and selecting Paste. All your content and formatting will be added exactly as it appeared in your Word document. This includes fonts, colors, paragraph spacing, bullet points, tables, and even images, maintaining the professional look you created in Word. And that's it. You've successfully pasted your Word content into Outlook with all the formatting preserved, making your email look polished and professional. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.